Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious egg fried rice. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of cooked rice, ideally day-old, 3 to 4 eggs, and a selection of fresh vegetables like carrots, beans, and capsicum, roughly 1/4 cup each. Don't forget your aromatics: 1 inch of ginger, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, and 2 to 3 green chilies. We'll also use 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. Achieving the perfect texture starts with your rice. Make sure it's fully cooked but not mushy, and ideally, cooled completely so the grains remain separate. Next, we'll prepare the eggs. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a hot wok or pan. Pour in your lightly whisked eggs and quickly scramble them until they are just set and fluffy. Remove these perfectly cooked eggs from the wok and set them aside for later. Now let's build the flavor base. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to your hot wok. Toss in the finely chopped garlic, ginger, and green chilies, sautéing them for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, add the spring onion whites, along with your chopped carrots and French beans. Stir-fry these vegetables on high heat for approximately 2 minutes, ensuring they remain crisp and vibrant, not overcooked. It's time to bring everything together for our delicious fried rice. Add the cooled, cooked rice to the wok with the sautéed vegetables. Pour in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. Mix everything thoroughly on high heat for about 2 minutes, ensuring all ingredients are well combined and heated through. Finally, gently fold in the scrambled eggs and garnish with fresh spring onion greens. Serve your flavorful egg fried rice hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.